Welcome to the Daily Message. In today's prayers and readings and meditations, we hear about what constitutes true greatness. Jesus tells us that true greatness is not found in how highly esteemed we are. True greatness is not found in our power or our position or our ranking. Rather, our true greatness is found in the quality of our service for others. And the greatest example we have of this is Jesus himself. As the meditation says, the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve and to give his life as a ransom for many. Thank you for watching today. Have a great day.